He is drizzling sauce on delicious pizza. He is drizzling sauce on delicious pizza. He is preparing fresh green salad. He is preparing fresh green salad. Asian chef is preparing tasty meal. Asian chef is preparing tasty meal. She is chopping carrots in kitchen. She is chopping carrots in kitchen. She is making dumplings together with child. She is making dumplings together with child. She is grilling the food. She is grilling the food. He cooks noodles with chopsticks. He cooks noodles with chopsticks. He is stirring eggs in pan. He is stirring eggs in pan. She prepares and serves food. She prepares and serves food. He is holding a wooden spoon and bowl. He is holding a wooden spoon and bowl. She holds the spatula and ready to cook. She holds the spatula and ready to cook. They are cooking with vegetables and cooking utensils. They are cooking with vegetables and cooking utensils. He is baking cookies together with her. He is baking cookies together with her. She is stir-frying food on stove with wok. She is stir-frying food on stove with wok. She cooks rice in the pan. She cooks rice in the pan. She is pouring fries into a container. She is pouring fries into a container. She is packing hamburger into a paper bag. She is packing hamburger into a paper bag. She is using folding fan at grill. She is using folding fan at grill. He is spreading paste in bread. He is spreading paste in bread. She is enjoying hot pot meal at table. She is enjoying hot pot meal at table. She cooks chicken in a pan. She cooks chicken in a pan. She is flipping the pancake. She is flipping the pancake.